Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to pay less fees when selling crypto here in Coinbase. So I have a ton of exchanges as you know in my previous videos here in the channel. So Coinbase right here will also let you cash out. So when you're actually in the Coinbase application itself, you can actually sell and there's going to be a quote there for around $20 and even 28 to $30 when you're selling your crypto about that because there is fees on top of fees on that. So you can also cash out right here by going to your wallet and using Alchemy Pay. So they're going to use third-party transactions so that you'll be able to get one of the best deals out in the market. Or you have another option, but which I will tell you later. So let's just say 100 or 1000 USDC. And right here, it's going to show you the available off ramp available for these details. So let's actually remove one right there. So you can choose your payment method right here. Then it's gonna show you a code. So if the code is bad, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is cash out and use Transact instead and check it out if it's still working. So of course it's gonna redirect you to another website right here. So let's go with USD. US dollars. So let's just say you're gonna pay 500 USDC right here, or you can select USDT, Ethereum right here, and then you'll receive around for $10 less. So the total fees is only around $5 with the code of right there. You will see. So let's go back to USD right there. Keep switching into random things right there. There you go. There is a smaller transaction fee when you use, so it's only $9. So of course the bigger transaction the more it's gonna hurt, but if you're transacting with bigger fees and bigger amount of money, I assume you can afford that because you're already that rich because you have big amounts of money on the line already. But there's another way that I do it. So personally, this is how I do it. I go to Binance right here. So let's just hide the amount of what I have right there. And there I only have 2 USDT right here because I already sold all. I don't keep money in the exchange. So all you have to do is go to funding and then P2P and then select USD in the top right corner right there and then sell it right here. You will get better deals right here. As you can see, when you sell, it will show you 1.05 USDT, and there's actually going to be better deals rather than the code right here for 0.9992959 whatever, because it's not perfectly $1. So as you can see, all you have to do is all or I would do basically is send the money into my Binance or Bybit, which has better fees in exchanging. Because if you have registered in Coinbase, then I assume you can register in other exchanges such as Bybit, Binance, and use the P2P method or use Mexi even. So there's where you sell. It's gonna send you to a bank. You can select your payment method right here depending on what payment method you want, and there you go. So that's how I pay less fees when selling crypto basically in Coinbase. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.